Hello everyone, this is Deepak Jangad and you guys are watching GHLV. Today I am super excited to introduce you guys to our marketplace app called Zero Bridge. The idea behind Zero Bridge is to make your work smoother by connecting Go High Level to with Zero. If you are someone who manages invoice inside GHL but handle the accounting Zero, you already know how much better it feels when the workflow is smooth and seamless. This is exactly the problem we are solving with Zero Bridge. We aim to save your time, reduce manual work, and keep your data perfectly synced. No more switching back and forth between Go High Level and Zero. No more duplicate efforts. Just smooth, automated bridge between your system. Now let's dive into the video and let's start how it actually works. So here you can see this is our marketplace app named Zero Bridge. You can install the app. You just simply click need to install. You already know that it will show you how like the permission we needed for our app. So you just simply need to click on allow and install the app. Okay, and then next step is it will take you to our website page where you have to register for like app to work. So you guys can then simply enter the details that needed. I have filled all the details, guys. Like you can see, it won't be visible to you because you have to create your own details. You need to insert your name, email, company name, phone number, and password. That's it. Then you just need to click on create and connect. Okay, so now on this page, after registering, it will take you guys to this page. And on this page, what you need to do is you can just simply click here, go to developer, go to z developers.zero.com, and here you need to log in. You must all have already, like I have already logged in with my email, my Zero account. You just have to go into the developers account and just need to click. It will log in you directly, and if you have not, you can log in. Then here you need to create a app for the our Zero Bridge app to work. You have to create a web app inside Zero. So here you can randomly name it here anything. You need to name your app. I will name it as Zero Data Sync. Okay, you need to choose web app. Then here you need to click no. Then do you understand and agree with yes. You need to do it yes. Here you can put your company URL or whatever URL you want. If you don't have any, you can just simply copy the URL that you can just simply the URL from here, and you guys can paste it here. That's simple. And in the next step for OAuth URL, you have to copy it from here. Just click on copy and paste it here. Yeah, that's all. You can enter your company name details here. That's it. Any name you guys can choose, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Then click on create app. Okay, okay, so the thing is, you guys can't use Zero in your app's name. Yeah, that's very important. I have done this mistake. Sorry, like I will change this to dev data sync. Okay, now let's create the app. Okay, I have created the app. That's it. Now you need to go into the second step, configuration. From here, you need to copy this client ID, copy and go back to our page. Here you need to paste this ID here, and then second you need client secret. For that, you go back and you need to click here generate a secret. It will generate a secret, client secret for you. You just need to copy it. If you want, you can store it anywhere because it's a one time watch. You cannot watch it again after the page reload and anything else happen. So yeah, you can store it anywhere. If you want to use the same app somewhere else, or that's okay. If you don't want to, then paste the secret here and click on connect Zero. then it will the zero will ask you that this that our app wants this permission from you, so you just need to allow it for our app to work. I will allow the access, and yeah, our app is connected successfully. Now I will go back here and I will reload the page. So after installing the app, you guys will be here. You guys have the new menu called zero settings. Okay, and it will show something like this. Here you have to enter the details that you have created while registering for our app in not in zero, while registering for a where you have registered, like you have entered your name details and all. So here I will enter those details, id and password, and yeah. So after the login, we guys will be right here. Here you can see our sub account name, our go high level sub account name, that is developer development account that we have created. And here you will see the zero business name account, zero business name. And yeah, all green means yeah, good we are good to go, and we are connected successfully our your zero account with our app. Yeah, and that's let's go to the second tab called zero setting. Here you can just come and refresh this. By default it will be selected tax exclusive, and this will fetch all the taxes that are in your zero. If you don't want any taxes, just click on no tax. And here you can see invoice prefix. It will create invoices with a referral id. So here those referral id will be like start with this, and you can, if you want, you can change this. And here you need to select the cell account, the bank account that you in which you want to create those payments, or you want to sync them. Okay, so here I have selected this and this, and just click on the save setting then. And on the next step, this is our main step. Here we will see all our data. Okay guys, so now we are in the invoice and sync tab. In this you will have a long list of invoices that have been created in go high level till now. If you want, you can create them in zero without any issue. It will be just a click and the invoice will be created in zero. And now let's just test this by creating new invoices, like how the new invoices will be created in zero. So now let's get into it. I will click a new invoice in GHL. I will select someone. I will select this. It will be a demo test product. Okay, and the pricing will, I will keep 199. Okay, 199, and I will click on. So let me just show you back. The last invoice is 9, and here you can see the last invoice is 9. So now if I click on send, okay, so the invoice is created. Here I will go and fetch invoice. The 10th invoice is like here, and it is synced in zero as well. I will go in zero, refresh, and as you can see the invoice is created in zero without. This was very smooth AF. Like you don't have to come here and create the invoice again for the same user. It was just a click and your invoice is created in zero without any issues. You don't have to manually come here and create the invoice. The invoice is right here without any click. Like you don't even have to click on the like sync invoice. The you have created the invoice, and the create that created invoice is directly created in zero without any issues. Now if we mark, I will record the payment. Okay, for this invoice manually I will record this payment. The payment is recorded successfully. Now if we come here and fetch the invoice again, as you see the invoice is paid, and the status is also changed sync and paid. And the action is says it is synced successfully without any issues. Now we'll go back to our here, our zero account, refresh. Here as you guys can see, it will be changed. Its status is changed to zero, $199 payment. And yeah, that's it. That's how our app gonna work. Like no manual intervention between, no back and forth in Zero and Go High Level. Just all the things will be managed by our app. You just have to create the invoice in Go High Level. It will directly will be created in Zero, and if it mark as paid, it will be also marked as paid in Zero. No back and forth in between Go High Level and Zero. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.